Ever wondered how hackers break into systems? Stick around and I'll show you the secrets of ethical hacking in just 60 seconds. Welcome to the world of ethical hacking, where the good guys use their skills to protect against the bad guys. It is not about causing damage or stealing information, it is about making the digital world safer for everyone. Ethical hacking is all about finding vulnerabilities in systems before malicious hackers can exploit them. It's like being a digital superhero, using your powers for good instead of evil. These hackers might find vulnerabilities without permission but report them to the owners instead of exploiting them. It's a bit of a gray area. Hence the name. Ethical hacking is done with permission and for the purpose of improving security. These tools help automate the process of finding weaknesses, but it takes skill and knowledge to interpret the results and come up with solutions. This involves simulating real-world attacks to find weaknesses in a system's defenses. These languages are often used in hacking tools and scripts, so being fluent in them is a must for any aspiring ethical hacker. The first step is to build a strong foundation in computer science and networking. You need to understand how systems work before you can learn how to break into them and, more importantly, how to protect them. It requires a strong ethical code and a commitment to using your skills responsibly. It's a fascinating field that combines technical skills with creative problem solving, all in the service of making the internet a safer place. This focuses on the human element of security, testing how easily people can be tricked into giving away sensitive information. It's a reminder that sometimes the weakest link in a security system is the people using it. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your knowledge wisely and happy hacking. In next video we will the difference between hacking and cracking. Please subscribe for more videos. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving and ethical hackers need to be one step ahead of the bad guys. It is like a fire drill for your digital infrastructure. You want to know where the problems are before a real emergency happens. If you like the video, please subscribe for more. It is like hiring a locksmith to test your home's security. You want them to find the weak spots so you can fix them. Let's start with the basics. Ethical hacking involves understanding how systems work, identifying weaknesses, and then figuring out how to fix them. White hat hackers are the good guys, working to protect systems and improve security. They're often employed by companies to test their defenses. Black hat hackers, on the other hand, are the criminals who break into systems for personal gain or malicious intent. Now, you might be thinking, isn't all hacking illegal? Well, not exactly. There are several types of hacking, each with its own purpose and techniques. Then there's gray hat hacking, which falls somewhere in between. One common type of ethical hacking is penetration testing, or pen testing for short. Another important aspect of ethical hacking is social engineering. Ethical hackers also use tools like vulnerability scanners and network sniffers to detect potential security holes. Now you might be wondering how to get started in ethical hacking. Learning programming languages like Python, Java, and C++ is also crucial. It's also important to stay up to date with the latest security trends and threats. Remember, ethical hacking isn't about showing off or causing chaos. It's about making the digital world a safer place for everyone. So, whether you are interested in a career in cybersecurity or just want to understand how to better protect yourself online, learning about ethical hacking is a great place to start. And there you have it, a quick introduction to the world of ethical hacking.